In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Mailchimp pop-up in Wix site. Connecting Mailchimp to your Wix website is a great way to automate your email marketing and manage subscribers more efficiently. Once the integration is complete, any new form submissions from your Wix website can automatically sync with your Mailchimp audience, helping you grow your email list without needing to manually add contacts. To get started, open your browser and head over to the Wix website, then sign in to your account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your website dashboard, where you can manage your site's settings, pages, and connected applications. This dashboard acts as the main control center for your website. From the menu on the left-hand side, locate the Apps section and click on it. Then, open the App Market, which is Wix's built-in marketplace for adding tools and integrations to your website. Inside the App Market, you'll find a search bar that allows you to quickly locate specific applications and services. In the search field, type Mailchimp and wait for the results to appear. Once you see the Mailchimp app listed, select it to open the installation page. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms available, making it a useful tool for collecting subscribers, sending campaigns, and managing customer engagement. Next, click the Add to Site button to begin the installation process. Wix will guide you through a series of setup prompts designed to connect the application properly to your website. Follow the instructions carefully as the integration continues. During the setup, you'll be asked to sign in to your Mailchimp account. If you already have an account, simply log in to continue. Mailchimp may also request permission to connect with your Wix website. These permissions are necessary because they allow the two platforms to communicate with each other and exchange subscriber information automatically. After granting access, you'll be able to choose which Mailchimp audience list should connect to your Wix forms. Select the audience you want new subscribers to be added to. You'll also see an option to enable automatic syncing for future signups. Turning this on ensures that anyone who fills out a form on your Wix website will automatically be added to your selected Mailchimp audience list. Once everything is connected, your Wix website and Mailchimp account will begin working together seamlessly. New subscribers collected through your website forms will automatically appear inside your Mailchimp audience, making your email marketing process much more organized and efficient. And that's it! You've now successfully connected Mailchimp to your Wix website and automated your subscriber collection process for future campaigns and customer engagement. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.